gross rent multiplier. This is in the income section, unit 16, I believe. The property sold for $249,400. The monthly rent is $1,850. What is the GRM? Now I think of the R as rental, and when I think of rentals I think of monthly. So basically the question is asking how many times does 1850 go into 229,400? And that will give us a figure which is an index which we call the gross rent multiplier. In this case it's 124. If I knew that the rent was 1850 and I knew that the gross rent multiplier was 124, then multiplying those two out would give me a value of 229. If I knew that the value was 229,400 and the average gross rent multiplier in this area is 124, then I know I should be expecting about 1850 a month rent. That's how that one works. Because then we go on to the income multiplier. This is gross income multiplier, which is based on a year. Because income, I always think of rent, monthly, income, yearly. And it says the property produces $50,000 per year gross income and a net income of 35. A little bit of a distractor there, because we don't need to take that into account. We're after gross income, and that's where we are there. And the property sold for $400,000. What is the gross income multiplier? In other words, how many times does that 50,000 go into the 400,000? And the answer, of course, is 8. Working it another way, if I know that the area GIM is 8, and I'm getting $50,000 out of this property per year, then I would expect to pay $400,000 for it. Or if I knew the property was worth $400,000 and I knew the area GIM was 8, then I would be expecting to get at least $50,000 per year income out of it, net gross income.